I just can't seem to stick to a fitness routine. I always start off strong, but then I lose motivation and give up.
I understand how you feel. It can be tough to stay motivated, but did you know that regular exercise can improve your mood and reduce stress?
I've heard that before, but it's easier said than done. I just don't have the time or energy to work out every day.
Actually, studies show that even just 30 minutes of exercise a day can have significant health benefits. And you can break it up into smaller chunks throughout the day if you need to.
I guess that's not too bad. But what about healthy eating habits? I can never seem to stick to a diet.
Diets can be tough to stick to, but it's important to focus on making healthy choices instead of restricting yourself. Did you know that a balanced diet can improve your energy levels and reduce the risk of chronic diseases?
I didn't know that. But it's so hard to resist junk food and unhealthy snacks.
It's okay to indulge every once in a while, but try to make healthier choices most of the time. And remember, small changes can make a big difference in the long run.
I guess you're right. Thanks for the advice. I'll try to make some changes and see how it goes.